Hey YouTube, it's BA Life-Adelic. Looks like we're going to be wrapping up planting for this year in the garden and then take care of the pitch. Had some pretty good success with this grass. Coming in pretty good. So we had an opportunity with the weather. It's going to rain for the next 3 days or so. So I'm going to kind of hurry up to get this lawn overseeded so I don't have to water it for those few days. So we're going to overseed the lawn. So we need to rake it, get rid of some of the debris, and then I'm going to try and spread a little manure, spread that around, and then lay the seeds. Yeah! And now, the manure. Well, that manure didn't go too far, but I kind of want this part of the lawn to be the best looking here in the garden. But we're going to put seed everywhere, see what happens. Next up, we got to fill up these bamboo tubs. I didn't realize it, but it uses up all the nutrients in that soil and it just degrades, gets compacted. So we're going to put a couple of bags of this topsoil in each of these tubs and help that stay healthy. So, we're gonna make a change. I was gonna put some stone around these bamboo, but we're gonna take up the plastic. We're gonna plant that sedum back behind there. So I gotta pick up the plastic, loosen up that soil. The size of that root in there, I think it'll be okay. It'll just grow around it. But holy mackerel. We're gonna transplant these two over there, and then probably grab some of these over here that aren't doing so well. They don't get any sun. So here we go. There it is. They don't look so great now, but hopefully they do a good job of filling in, and I'll reach out to that sun to get the afternoon sun. So, on to the next task. So I got these today at the Aldi. So I gotta find a place to put these. These are bulbs, but they're for pollinators and look pretty good. So let's see what we got. So it even comes with instructions. Even better. Alright. I think we'll start here. So 2 to 4 inches deep. Got my hurry mark there for 4 inches. I'll give it a little space. Good enough. Place in the hole, pointy side up. Cover over. We'll come back and water it, but hopefully in the spring we got a big surprise. Alright, we're gonna cut the grass one last time for this year. Get it looking neat. Yeah! So, we have this stuff popping up in the lawn. It's a weed, and we've been pulling it out, but it's kind of all over the place. And I don't really know, but it only kind of came out after I seeded over the lawn. So we'll keep working on that. Well, I think we're done with planting for this year. So we'll show you what we planted. You've seen these before. These hostas we put here. These we just put in. Not sure what those are. Got those clearance, half price at Lowe's. That's coming along. I forget what that's called. Chased bush or something. Not sure. That was on sale too. Here's another one of that same flower, different color. Half price clearance. There's our lavender bush. Fairly coming along. It's getting some new buds. Got this one. Hard to see there. That was half price clearance. This one got moved from up by the patio there. That's just a mum. That was clearance though. We'll see how that does. Not sure what that one is. It's coming along. That there is bee balm. This I think, oh there it is. It says native score bee balm. I'm not sure that's it, but that's a bee balm again. I'm not sure what that is. Back here, let's see where that is. Right there, you can see that. It's a Joe Pye root. We got 4 of those back here. Not too sure what that is. We'll see in the spring. Same with that. Hydrangea. Not sure about that. And then we have these bulbs we put in. They're all along here. Bunch here. So we'll see how they come out in the spring. Alright. So I think that'll wrap it up for this one. So, like always, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.